Magandang araw mga palalabs. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Philippine Science High School, ZRC, Cugon, Dipolog City or Zamboanga Peninsula Regional Campus dahil mayroon pong ah, entry direction for growth and education, Pisay Age. Ayan, nasa gate po tayo. Papasok po tayo. Pero bago pa naman tayo papasok dyan, mag-picture-picture po muna tayo. Ayan. Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Science High School, Zamboanga Peninsula Regional Campus. Ayan. Nasa gate po tayo. Ayan, may pumasa papuntang stage full scholarship. Ayan, si Vica Ray, scholar ng bayan. Ayan. Wala pa mag-umpisa ang klase pero ayan. Ito yung campus. Flex lang tayo ng regional campus ng Zamboanga. Ayan, ng mga buildings. Nakikita nyo mga kapartner. Dahil may orientation yung sa likuran ko, yan yung convention center, activities center.
Integrity, excellence, and service to the nation. Moreover, the PSHSS is committed to continual improvement and compliance to existing statutory and regulatory requirements.
Buhay sa aking dugo ang lahing dakila, mag-ibig at may dangal. Palaging dadalhin sa puso, isip at diwa ang aking pagmamahal sa kultura at bayang sinilangan. Kaisa ng bawat mamamayan, iaalay ko ang aking talino at kasanayan sa pagpapaunlad ng aking bayan. Taglay ang galing na naaayon sa mga pandaigdigang pamantayan, magiging instrumento ako sa pagsulong ng kagalingan, karunungan at kapayapaan. Magkikiisa at magkikilahok ako sa mga adhikain ng pamahalaan dahil ang kaunlaran ay hindi lamang responsibilidad ng ilan. Isusulong at pangangalagaan ko ang karamanan, kalayaan at interes ng aking bayang minamahal. Bilang Pilipino na magpagmamahal, pakialam at malasakit, hindi makasarili kundi para sa mas nakararami, tatahakin ko ang landas tungo sa isang bagong Pilipinas.
After this, we will start with the orientation program. So, firstly, it's all about Pisay. So, be accustomed to yourself that from now on, scholars will be called Pisay scholars and you are Pisay parents. Okay, so I guess we will be needing 5 minutes para mag-arrange sa chair so that we can proceed with our orientation. Sige, so backward lang sa
Thank you.
So per provisions in accordance with the Republic Act 1963, there will only be one regional campus per region. Okay, and as of now, it's already on the second or third reading, I guess, that there will be two regional campuses per region. Pero pending pa. Okay, wala pa yung budget allocation. So as of now, we have to maintain that in every campus, there will only be one PSHS campus. Okay, policy aside, so we only have 70 plus passers during the national competitive examination and a total of 900, more or less 900 applicants. So please do the math. What is the percentage rating of the passing to be accepted here in Bisay? That is only, I am speaking only of the applicants in this campus because we have the lowest applicants in number. Others have 1,005 and more or less they only have more than 100 passengers. In our campus, we have 900 plus applicants, then we have 70 plus passengers. And here, 70 plus others, we reach up to 84. Can we call it lucky? Can we call it blessed? Yes. Blessed in everything? Privilege? Yes.